The cool thing is it's real carbon fiber.
Ooh.
See, and you can tell this is real genuine carbon fiber. And I personally love this matte finish. First I have to clean off these pearly whites, peel off this double-sided 3M tape, make sure it's aligned. Go ahead and apply some pressure. And that right there looks so much better already. And I'm not even done with the rest. And similar to the first side, go ahead and line it up and apply pressure all the way across. And last but not least, let's install the dash cover. A little wipey. Make sure you get behind the screen. But same principle, just make sure you line it up. And as you can see, the final product, it looks so much cleaner in here, a lot dimmer, which is nice. And what really matters to me is that when you look out the side view mirror, you can see clearly through it and you won't see a reflection of a white dash. Perfect. So if you want the dash and door cover kit, I highly recommend it. Code's up there, you know what to do.